One Chinese hand grenade found on the rooftop of Impact TV office building around 4 this afternoon. BJP-led state government's ambitious mission Khungang Jatse Go to Village kicks off today. Chief Minister Biren says 60 villages in 60 constituencies will be inspected annually. And Manipur joins the world in observing May Day today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanguzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. A Chinese hand grenade was found on the rooftop of Impact TV office building near Pona International Market around 4 this afternoon while cleaning the rooftop. Top police officials and team of bomb squad rushed to the office and took out the grenade safely. Investigation on how the grenade was planted is underway. Impact TV management team, on behalf of all the staff, appealed to those concerned not to cause terror among the staff who have been serving to the public day and night. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren launched the ambitious Khungang Jatse Go to Village mission at Lapuvat Tera in Mayang Imphal constituency today. Top officials of various government departments took part at the event where people were facilitated on various welfare schemes of the government. Officials of all government departments under the mission will give awareness on various welfare schemes and avail the same to the altogether 2,515 beneficiaries in villages at both the hills and the valley region of Manipur. 60 villages in 60 constituencies will be inspected annually, and the head officials of the departments will update the report to the Chief Minister every Tuesday under the mission. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Biren stated that the mission, though challenging, will decide the future of the state. He also questioned what the previous government did for enhancing the condition of Manipur 46 years after its annexation into the Indian domain. The Chief Minister asserted that the welfare of only a handful of people and government employees in Imphal city cannot define the welfare of the entire state, and so the mission was initiated. Rajya Sabha MP K.S.H. Babananda, Deputy Speaker K. Robindro, Chief Secretary, DGP and top officials of various departments attended the event. Chief Minister Biren also launched a service delivery center and distributed necessary benefits to beneficiaries on the occasion.
Saukhat thorangi thabakta miyoi bagi tanaba thanaba yadraba dugumba chinjakta rajniti tawbigano praja adi praja oina leisuno moigi kushini moi tawningbada tawsuno moi nungaina leisuno politics to koi masen ada tawnasi praja da tawhalga wahan gadaba natte habe aduna lambi ai khange aduna hek hankibaga hujiki suri bathika daruna sure sokos notice torokanda matam akaknaba tharakanda subanga moyo dikathallaga angambada sollaga thuna semakane habe yum sama akhoi extend toroga mai yaudana leirambadu huji mai thangi dore akhoi mayamna nahangai doctor da saningai paisa laitabi hospitalize torogane imasi hospitalize toroga paisa kanana pudokani paisa laitene ipa puningasu isa narasu pubo ngamdabado madu ngasigi laiba sarkar sina lupa lakh ani nangi imungda any ama narakpa matamda hospital da pukhalaga free da lakh ani bhabo sarkar na puthoga layeng bagi scheme dugi card tuning ase koina people ice.
Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar has launched the Khungang Chatse Go to Village mission at Ipatho Kok Sangland in Naremthong, Ward number 6, organized by the District Administration in Imphal West today. Speaking on the occasion, Yumnam Joy Kumar said the Go to Village mission is an initiative by Chief Minister Birent-led government with an aim to bring inclusive development and reach out to all the people of the state, including those who are residing at the most interior areas. The mission will aware the people on various welfare schemes and programs of various government departments. Indira Gandhi National opened all-age pension scheme, school shoes to the students of Kamlangba Popular Primary School, smart cards for Chief Minister Gi Haksel Gitengbang, and weaving cards were distributed on the occasion by the respective departments. Kiosks of various departments were also opened to facilitate the beneficiaries during the launch. Cooperative members of Ward number 6, beneficiaries and many school students attended the program. State Health Minister L. Jayantikumar has also launched the Khungang Chatse mission organized by District Administration in Imphal West at Pisum Ningom Laikai Community Hall in Kesamthong constituency today. Jayantikumar conducted a brief interaction with the nodal agencies at their respective stalls at the venue. Speaking to media person, the minister lauded Chief Minister Birent-led government for the proactive mission. He also said that the nodal officers from the different government departments will interact with the public on all the public-friendly schemes and projects. Jayantikumar asserted that the mission will provide a platform for the general public to avail all the necessary informations and details of the schemes and address the problems facing the public on the spot. Minister Jayantikumar distributed free school uniforms and privileged health cards to the beneficiaries on the occasion.
Department khudamak live scheme singse masin nahangi praja singna karam department da kari scheme la ke akhoi ka na kari no che khangje da hai batai adu scheme la ga su table an ta lai praja ri khangda madu gi do praja ga direct contact or matu da sarkar na officer singna moi da lakwi mahuta makhoi na praja ge manak ta changa ga praja da sugma mayam am lai karam matu no eligible loge karam darkar lege na hai bi matu gi Hakting na unaba amasum madugi pibang ambor gana hojung pibi abor gana hojung piramba aduna tragana ni makhata basi form jida form se loro form ji daga thakalo hybrid chimba madugi message pibagi maru pandam ne.
Works Minister Thongam Bishwasit has launched Khungang Chatse Go to Village statewide mission at 11 Star Sporting Ground, Akampa Torban Khetri Lekai Village in Thongju constituency today. Speaking at the sideline, Minister Bishwasit said that the main objective of the mission is to bring all centrally launched public-friendly schemes under one roof so that all informations and beneficiary facilities may become easily accessible. He asserted that the mission aims to improve the livelihood of villagers and at the same time to provide all the benefits of center's flagship programs and state schemes at the doorstep of the villages. He also said nodal officers of the program will provide maximum involvement with the public. Biswazit further said programs under the mission will have follow-up policy as the mission is an enduring one. As part of the launch, Minister Biswazit planted 3 saplings and later interacted with all the 17 stalls of state nodal agencies. Deputy Commissioner Imphal East IAS TH Chitra and Additional Chief Secretary Works RD and PR IAS MH Kant were also present at the event.
Khoi piram baya bana whatsoever I khoi da lady puna maksing piram baya bana ngasi piram bani aduga leitaba khangdaba kanaguma knowledge le hogdabdagi apply ta hogdaba whatever enrollment ta hogdaba khodimaksi aduna khoi gi is the member lady pradhan lady everything akhoi di tawjari pot puna maksi inclusive politics ni akhoi da divisive and negative politics akhoi da leijade public ngasi khak torang ngasi yahogdaba natra ngahogdaba poti akhoi to odra haibade madu umbale paul lebising puna maksing akhoi follow up adum phajana nodal agency khantui aduga twan twan SDO singsi loibak chaltharaga asuna masi akhoi na sahi amagi manungda natra ani gi manungda loisalani haba program nate si prolong adum chatharaga adum laikadaba matam khudimukta adum sustain tawna lehna bagi panda mongol.
Education Minister T.H. Radisham also launched the Khungang Chatse Go to Village mission in 6 constituencies of Thoubal district today. District Administration Thoubal organized the launch at Phamjakhont in Hairok constituency. As part of the launch, various departments of the district opened stalls till 4 in the afternoon to aware the public on various undertakings of the departments. Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyamkumar has announced that the centre has provided 4.75 crore rupees for the construction of minority hostels at Andro and 4.70 crore rupees for Poirau Khongjint in Andro Assembly constituency. He made the announcement at the launch of Khungang Chatse Go to Village mission at Yambem Lampa Community Hall in Yambek Yairipok of Andro constituency in Imphal East today. Speaking further, Minister Shyamkumar said the state government under the leadership of Chief Minister Biren decided to launch the mission with an aim to create awareness regarding various social schemes of both the central and state government, even to the citizens residing at the remotest area of the state. Shyamkumar was hopeful that the stall opened by various state departments at the program will help in giving awareness on the social schemes of the government. Advising the residents in the area to take maximum benefits of the program, he also appealed to the representatives of different departments to give maximum awareness regarding the schemes of their respective departments and solve the problem facing the people in the easiest way possible. Member Tulihan Jila Parishad, Kongbam Inaucha and Chairman Andro Nagar Panchayat, Lukhoi were also present at the event. Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister Nemcha Kipken handed over various welfare schemes to the deserving beneficiaries of Kampokpi district at the launch of Khungang Chatse Go to Village mission held at Kaithelmambi village in Cham 5 subdivision today. Nemcha also flagged off Ayushman Bharat National Health Protection Scheme, which will cover over 10 crore poor and vulnerable families, providing coverage up to 5 lakh rupees per family per year for secondary and tertiary care hospitalization on the occasion. Addressing the gathering, Minister Nemcha expressed that the mission will bring inclusive development and further encourage the people to take the opportunity to avail the state and centrally sponsored schemes.
The purpose of Go to the Village missions are to bring a new challenge in all aspects, to bring harmony amongst different communities, to identify actual beneficiary of all the schemes taken up by the government, for physical involvement of government officers to identify and reach out to the right beneficiary at their doorstep by organizing camps at different villages to ensure enrollment of all the deserved villagers for government social security schemes, to spread awareness about pro-poor initiative of the government, to bring development and reach out to all the people of Manipur state, including those who are residing at the most interior area, to involve active participation of villagers in development activities of the government, to find out the area-specific need of different villages.
MLA Kurai L. Susindro has also launched the Khungang Chatse Go to Village mission at Kurai Ningthobung Laikai in Kurai constituency today. Speaking at the launch, Susindro asserted that MLAs and local bodies have great responsibilities in ensuring welfare schemes to the public. He also said the mission was launched at Kurai Ningthobung Laikai as the locality, in comparison to other localities in the constituency, is behind in development. Susindro lamented that despite the publicity on the launching program of the mission, the last few days, some people have not turned up at the event. The MLA also assured of safe drinking water in the constituency in consultation with the PHED minister within a year. District Administration Imphal East has launched the Khungang Chatse Go to Village mission at Huyen Langlong Manipur Thangta Cultural Association under Irilbung Bamon Kampu GP Ward number 5 in Khetrigao constituency today. MLA Khetrigao Nahakpam Indrazit, Jila Parishad member of Bamon Kampu GP Golmai Kachungna, Pradhans, ward members and people of the area attended the event. Go to Village mission was today launched in the 6 different constituencies of Bishnupur district, namely Isok Laibungda in Nambon constituency, Kuakta Mina Bazar in Moirang constituency, Thangalawai Khongnang Makhong community hall in Thanga constituency, Nacho Owang community hall in Bishnupur, Napat Laibung in Kumbi constituency, and Selva in Moirang constituency. MLA Oinam constituency L. Radhakishore attended the launching event held at Laimaram High School.
Manipur Sakarna packet cheribase Manipur gi Khungang nasi 60 da kendra momungi amamom da koi packet pani Oinam kendra Sulaiman packet pani Oinam kendra da punna Khungang 13 nasi koi athum matam da mathang packet cheraga Oinam kendra si yan hanbada modern kendra ma lathokani ani subada koi Manipur Sakarna Manipur state ase modern state dama India da yamna masak thokpa modernize oiraba miyamna awana palitaba adugumba state ama haibodo lathokna bagi Manipur chief minister na honorable chief minister na pamje Manipur Sakarna.
The Go to Village mission was also launched at various constituencies in Chorchampur and Farzol districts today. Various entitlements and benefits were distributed to many beneficiaries by different departments like social welfare, medical education, ADCC, PHED, etc. during the program. Different departments also opened enrollment stalls at the venue. PHED Minister L. Diko also launched the Go to Village mission at Punanamai Songsong subdivision in Mao constituency today. The minister also announced that Punanamai village in the constituency has been selected as the first village under the mission to develop into a model village. 20 department stalls were opened and beneficiaries were availed various benefits on the occasion. District Administration Imphal East organized the launch of Khungang Chatse Go to Village mission for Hararo village under Hararo Tangkhamt Gram Panchayat in Kundrakpam constituency today. Member of Kundrakpam Jila Parishad Imphal East, Thangjam Angobi, as chief guest of the launching program, lauded the chief minister-led government for initiating the mission to address the grievances of the public in connection with the central and state-sponsored public-friendly schemes and programs. Pradhan of Hararo Tangkhamt Gram Panchayat, Laisangthem Kulachandra, and Pradhan of Kundrakpam Gram Panchayat, Abuzam Ibocho were present on the occasion. 3 saplings were planted as part of the launching program. Seven clubs in Pukhao Nahar Road formed a joint union called All Pukhao Club Union and elected Thongchom Sanjoy as the union's president today. The union resolved to extend full cooperation to the JSC against unnatural shifting of the Imphal East District Hospital, Sagolmang. However, the union has no connection whatsoever with the newly constructed Committee on Kundrakpam and Saikul Kendra against unjustified shifting of the Imphal East District Hospital from Sagolmang. Addressing media person at Pukhao Naharup Makalaikai Community Hall, advisor of the union, Naurim Nageshwar stated that a meeting was convened at Pukhao Nahar Road, Makhalaikai, wherein 7 clubs, namely VDSC Pukhao Laifam, PJPC Pukhao Kabam, GSC Pukhao Nahar Road, FRC Pukhao Nahar Road, Makhalaikai, RDYC Pukhao Nahar Road, Awangklaikai, NDYC Dwalai Thabi has clubbed into one union for undertaking joint action on any developmental issues. Naram Nageshwar also expressed happiness at the first phase of meeting between the representatives of the GAC and the Chief Minister regarding the construction of the Imphal East District Hospital at Sagolmang. He expressed hope that the government will work as per the interest and desire of both Saikul and Kundrakpum constituencies. On the other hand, a joint action committee of women of all Pukhao Gram Panchayat was also formed, and Sanatombi and Bimota were inducted as the president and secretary of the committee respectively.
Gamena amuk atopa wahapam mama thamaktana JSC kagumba kanba khongjang changjalkani haibagi sapchaba firep lawrokpadadi ngasai na mamangda thamjagibudo aikoi semjariba all Pukhao clubs union angam bathakta aikoi thawai hakchang yaungna mateng pangjagani sapchaba aikoi thawlang lawgune habisima aikoi na mayamangda thamjari
hauji chathariba masing ase panbiriba sarkar sina aikoi magi sigi nupi angang sing aikoi na wajariba tumham chapam khangriba charangnariba kendra sibu nungsibiu loinana khongjen yangna aikoi awang bathakta phidam ningai oiba sarkar amar oina aikoi chimination lawbiriba thawdang sing ase aikoi gi hospital sisu saru ama ohen biduna amutang district hospital sagat pire hairaga aikoi bu tangdu laitaba adu chakhotpada mayamga comparison tobada adugumba kendram ohen bada mateng pangbiu.
United Labour's Union Manipur joined the world in observing International Labour Day, also known as International Workers' Day, Labour Day or Workers' Day today. The observance held at Hata Kangjebung was attended by a large number of people. A march rally was also taken out as part of the observance from Kangjebung towards Andro Parking and passed through Palace Gate and finally reached the event venue at Kangjebung. Speaking at the event, former Minister Dr. LKH Loken expressed the desire for the central and the state government to give priority to the labourers while initiating developmental works. Loken stated that the labourers are the backbone of the society who need to be regarded highly and their rights must be provided. Taking part in the event, Chairperson of Manipur Building and Construction Workers Board, Sanglakpam Peswazit said it is time for people of the hills and the valley to join hands in fighting for rebellious right. He maintained that the shallow thought of division has hindered in availing the rights. Peswazit asserted that the rich and the educated alone cannot bring development in the state and that the laborers play a vital role in bringing about development in a society. BJP spokesperson CH Bijoy, president of Jeliangrong Union Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Atwan Abonmai were among those present at the event.
Simising si ayambana aikoi loinabak organized sector da thabak toba nate unorganized sector da loina na individual loina toba mayam amasu leiri makhoi sing asibusu hariba facility sing ase phangana ba hona ba kanda ulumna yamna chauna thodang lobiba masigi damakta ulumbusu thagachari
manasi akoi koi punjalasi aduga masi labor habasida koi jat bijati su leite labor sinmi habase akoi apun mayabagi shakti ni punjalaga akoigi representative mayama koina vote thadara kahali maya akoigi mihut silaga akoi center asal imya moida akoi demand toksi akoigi phangom thokpa hak akoi phangdabe yaroi aduga pidabe yaroi aduga akoigi development su akoi tohandabe yaroi habase unite tawdragadi tuan leragadi akoi sole.
It's time for a commercial break. After the break, we bring you a report on May Day rally by students in the state. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Students in the state joined the world in observing May Day and took out the rally entitled May Day March today. Participants at the rally drew the attention of the Chief Minister to look into the grievances faced by the Mapitil Dam affected people. Impact News reporter Katrimayum Premchand and camera person Kurumayum Bumeshwar bring you a report in this regard.
Malam yu hom sing ne panthok pugum ngasi Manipur su International Labour Day habidi May Day ki thorom Paksanem Pantolani. Maruina, as a part of the International Labour Day or May Day all over the world, today here in Manipur, Socialist Student Union of Manipur along with Manipur Proletariat People's Democratic Union and Manipur Proletarian Feminist Movement Manipur organized May Day March. Large number of students and peoples gathered there at Tidim Ground Community Hall and they have started rally for Kashampat Ladembi Community Hall.
By Kugi, Iramdam Manipusi, Manaba Kuna, Purak Nabagi Pandam Tamjaduna, Tunatuamba, Mahitam Singamadi, Lairaba, Lomis Mingami, Arapa the Lady Bamiam, Amatona Ponchinduna, Hadiba, Toramati, Sinzabani, Manadam Yang Biriba, Lairaba Singo, Hantana Yang Biriba, Asimaba Kontanga, say Quina, Amato in a Ponchinduna, Anawa Mirongi, Anawa Yaola Mazanchinduna, Kugi Manaba Kunama, Siam Naba, Marondom Lefsabangamba, Maningtam Himbangamba, Kanagi Mikapon, Himbangamba Habado, Oina by Quina Hadiba, Panamasi Tamjaduna. Hongjar asi Chavani, Luna, Mifamasi Pantoksa.
ngasi tawriba je sinmigi numini la sida mapitel dang gi makha da leiba praja ya ma je sinmi ngaktani adu no ju ji laik tamba phangdana leiba mapitel dang gi praja singje chiga ngang singje laik tamba phangan biyo adu gi matakta sim minister da koi gi lenga ki sim minister da koi nai je ningi si huju ji dam sina mar kan da suba sar pa phang ngamdana koi anaba ye pala kan da ko tangai phadana layeng bangam da gi thak ta leiraba adu na sarkar na pibi reba sponsor scheme mam je si minister gi saita gi nongrang gi maka adi mapitel dam gi makha da leiba khunjing ji da ju chap chana phangan biyo hai bo pham ji minister da thamjani
dam pithen si gi khoi na ngoi suru saja bani ngoi suru saja bje ji dam se thingi bi da gi lupa sama ta ba da ji yam na wana thoe government da khoi na hainingi bi se akhoi gi simi gi matang da akhoi senthok nambi se laita bani na akhoi gi moi da senthok nambi ama piyo na akhoi hainingi.
International Labour Day or May Day is observed every year across the world. Minister MLS lauded for the rights of laborer every year. But the question lies still here is the government really taking care of the laborers? With camera person Bumeso, this is Ketamayum Premsan, Impact News, Imphal.
All India Trade Union Congress Manipur also observed 128 May Day at GM Hall today. Speakers at the event stated that one should fight for one's right and that the government needs to be awakened from time to time. They appointed a society which looks down the laborers can never attain development and that the working class plays a vital role in bringing development to our society. Resolution to be submitted to the government for the welfare of the laborers were also undertaken and unanimously at the event. The resolution included increment of wages, implementation of the Minimum Wage Act, curbing of corruption, and proper implementation of basic labor rules, etc. General Secretary of ITUC Manipur, L. Sotin Kumar, Progressive Writer, L. Iboyaima, members of All Manipur Asa Workers Union, Roadside Vendor Welfare Association Manipur, All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union Manipur, All Manipur Shops and Establishment Employees Union Manipur, All Manipur Nupi Marupt and All India Student Federation attended the observance. Imphal Municipal Employees Union also observed May Day at Imphal Municipal Council Complex today. Speaking on the occasion, Commissioner of IMC T.H. Hari Kumar said the day was observed with an aim to encourage workers across the state. He stated that as part of the week-long May Day observance, a health camp, an insurance camp, and an orientation program will also be held to equip the workers against potential work-related health hazards and accidents. IMC Mayor L. Lokeshwar and Director Mahud Git Kumar Nepramt were among those present at the event.
Hangdokjage koi tokjage habagi plan matang program ate program yam thamjari ekoigi adagi di ekoigi maruaina ekoigi Imphal Municipal Corporation dadi mayam sinmi se maximum sinmi se ayamba ekoigi sweepers ekoigi solid waste management ga mari lainana suba sinmina ayamba oina tobunina sigumbagi health hazardous oiba occupation ama oibana akoi health ki sida not only health camp si natana akoi masasi kamaina kari care logani akoi mana solid has akoi waste handling to matamda aduguma akoi orientation program kasu koi sinje langjage.
Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur PPCM today handed over relief materials to the Relief Committee of the 7 families whose houses were set ablaze in a fire that broke out on April 19 at More Premnagar near Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate number 2. The committee donated 7 bags of rice grain, 64 tin ropes and 10,000 rupees cash to help rebuild their houses. Members of the Hill Tribal Council, Mighty Council More and other organizations witnessed the donation ceremony. Speaking on the occasion, convener of PPCM and Bimul said members of the committee chipped in to make the donation and stated that they will continue to help the people in trouble. Thoubal Municipal Council observed World Labour Day at Council Complex in Thoubal District today. Chairperson of Thoubal Municipal Council, T.H. Shamo asserted that all labourers must be treated with respect for their contribution and sacrifices. Gifts were presented to volunteers working for the council on the occasion. Manipur Building and other construction workers welfare union Lamphel also observed May Day at State Guest House in Sanjantong today. Speaking on the occasion, cultural activist Ningthauja Lancha said most of the workers in the state are in the unorganized sector due to lack of skills. He stressed the importance of education to employ them in the organized sector. Taking part in the observance, General Secretary of the union M. Sunita said the day was observed with the hope that workers will one day get their deserved rights and the daily wages.
Aigi tawgadori sinfam candle sabo organa fi sabo organa natraga adugi oina lan sinmi sangat pama asumna sangat aba matungda hairiba sinmi mathanda na thabak si tawba ngamoy employer mayamam sangi and mokoi bu loksan bi gadawriba mokoi bu thabak ta nek kadawriba besides government lakadawri duga hairiba sinmi sing dugi connected ne samang asigi conference da khana rakanda kamai tawduna employees ka employer ga employees singa mari laina ban ngamgani kamai tawduna private and public collaboration kamai na porakani makoigi career ngasa habi ke ban mane welfare kamanda khanagani haiba yam systematic naiba United States kumbada laiba workforce development gi sumaina aikogi lamda su tapna khanabagi khudong chabdu ngasigi mifam sina pigani ana khalle.
Slum Upliftment Mission Foundation Manipur Brothers observed Workers' Day along with its Foundation Day at its office in Kumand Lampak, Tinko Road today. Speakers at the event emphasized on the upliftment of the working class as they are the backbone of a developed society. The foundation also presented gifts to laborers to mark the day. Well, Huex India Private Limited, in collaboration with companies from abroad, is set to launch various eco-friendly products in the state. A press conference in this regard was held and products were displayed at Hotel Nirmala in MG Avenue today. Speaking to a media person, Chairman of Well Huex India Private Limited, El Basanta, stated that the company will collaborate with South Korea-based companies, namely Kyongyung Green Tech Limited and Greenex Co Limited, including India's Trekmark International, to introduce these eco-friendly products with an aim to establish an eco-friendly environment in the state. It may be mentioned that these products include shopping bags, disposable cups, disposable plates, containers made from cornstarch and compostable plastic, Greenex coolant additives to be added to coolants used in vehicles, and Starmax lubricants. He mentioned that these environment-friendly products will help sustain our natural environment. CEO Greenex Co Limited, Chung Kyun Sin, CEO Tengyong Green Tech Limited, Kang Hen Chung, and CEO Trekmark International, Binod Manchandra, attended the event. Writers Union Manipur Imphal released Manipur Amasung Meitei Pangan Haukraba Amasung Hauchiki, a book by SM Sheikh at the Holt of Agriculture Department today. Retired Commissioner Dr. R.K. Nimai, Director DM Community College, DD Kausil Kendra, Dr. Rahes Udin Sehek, and President of Writers Unit Manipur, Arjun Kabir, jointly released the book. Associate Professor of DM College of Arts, Dr. Lanchen Bamaite, spoke on the theme of the book at the event.
The Mamaro Waiter Mike Londa Kadai Power Sanction Lava, the food habit, Pijet Laking and Timbagi Maramda, Yam Kangba Panghi, Masi Maramda, Tijan Hunjilubada, Mari Lainava Lai, Karadang Pangnava Hodavada, Yam Waki, Mate Pangali, socio-culture, socio-economic, day-to-day social life, Mari Lainava, Laiki, Ire Lake, Mate Pangal well-educated person kara leijarabasu hiramasigi maramondadi sangsil loba kaya thengadri ibinaba yamna leite hayingi.
Commando Thobalt arrested one self-styled MC number 236 captain of RPF PLA from Palel Bazaar last evening around 6. The arrested person is identified as Irungbam Surjit alias Bolai alias Arund alias Dijen, 46 years, son of late I Gunamani from Senjam Chirang and presently residing at Kakching Kunung Taba Ching. According to police report, he joined RPF PLA in May 1994 through one Salam Jiten alias Luang from Thangweiban, Hizan Plekai. He underwent 50 days basic military training in Myanmar under Army number 1568 of 1998 batch. He was promoted to the rank of captain in June 2016 and was present working as recruiting officer under the command of one self-styled Lieutenant Colonel Jiten of RPF PLA. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. One Chinese hand grenade found on the rooftop of Impact TV office building around 4 this afternoon. BJP-led state government's ambitious mission Khungang Jatse Go to Village kicks off today. Chief Minister Biren says 60 villages in 60 constituencies will be inspected annually. And Manipur joins the world in observing May Day today.